Hey guys, welcome back. So I am about to install these 20-inch Kinky Curly Itips on my client, okay? So I've already washed them and they are ready to go. I don't know if she's gonna want them straight or wear them curly, but we'll see when she gets here, okay? So this is what the hair looks like. The Burmese Kinky Curly, all right? So this may be a voiceover. I haven't decided. We're going to be chit-chatting in here and having a good time while we install these. So stay tuned. All right, so you know we're going to need all of our materials here. I got some beads here, and I have all of my tools inside of here ready to go. So I'm going to start by putting all my beads and getting them ready. All right, you guys, so as you can see, her hair is definitely a 4C, and we have been growing it out for years, trying to get her to her hair goals, and her hair is definitely at least 18 inches stretched out, very minimum. All this girl's hair. Oh. Where and when? When did this happen?
It's just too much. It's just at this point, I'm tired of it. I can't even blow dry it myself.
Oh my God.
What am I gonna do?
I love it. I love it.
Don't ever move out of state.
Yeah.
I will follow you.
It's just like, oh my God. I need the works when I come.
I don't know what. Yeah, like I'm about to. You saw how I came in. Incognito baseball cap.
Oh my God. I love it. Love it. Love it. All right, we're done. We're just gonna go out like this. Good to go. Wow. Your mom will be like, shut the hell up.
Oh yeah, she's definitely.
So as you can see, I'm just gonna go in and press her hair out really good. We are going to be adding these eye-tips in, so I need the hair to be straight. Long hair, don't care. I am.
We hate to interrupt your evening, but we would like to borrow a brief moment of.
Haven't pressed it in years. All right, so here is her sectioning. We are leaving this hair out, and it is not going to be microlinked, okay? So I've already started on her links. This is the very first row, just making sure everything is good. She can pull it up, she can pull it down, and everything is comfortable for her. So as you can see, the actual eye tips, I've already started to blow dry them out before I added them onto her hair. I want to have the least amount of stress on her hair as possible, so I do blow dry them before I add them into her hair. All right, so I'm reaching the top already. It definitely takes a lot of time to section each piece out, figure out how many pieces you need. If anybody asks me how many pieces I used, the answer is I have no idea. She purchased 3 bundles. I think it was 3 bundles of 20 inches, and we ended up using 2.5. You guys know the bundles are weight. They're by weight, so they're 100 grams per bundle are the ones that I sell, and we use about 2.5 bundles, so let's just say 250 grams of hair I added into her head. All right, so as you can see, I'm just going to reach the top and add these eye tips in one at a time. Make sure they're movable, make sure they're covered completely by her natural hair that we left out, and then we are going to continually style her. All right, so I am combing out each piece, and I am definitely going to be pressing through them and flat ironing them completely. Her hair is a 4C, and we are using the Burmese Kinky Curly hair texture on her, okay? So when she washes her hair, or if she happens to get her hair wet, it will still blend nicely without any problems.
It's grapes.
Yeah. All right, great.
Come on, grapes.
Sir, please introduce yourself. I am John Shipley, and I've done over 15,000 singing.
I believe you.
All right, she is all
No.
done.
No.
No
way.
Woo, you
No.
ain't been straight.
I'm half asleep, so I'm dreaming right now.
Oh my god.
There's no way you got my hair this bone straight like this.
Yes, girl. Yes. All you.
No, you did not.
All you. You can lie in the streets if you want to.
You thought I was joking. Let me book my next appointment. So 2 weeks I come back.
Look at her, so pretty. Oh my god. Like, yeah, it's on me. Oh my god. Nobody's gonna believe it. Like, it's me.
What? The inches.
It's all
And
me.
you know what? I remember I told you I was like, oh, it's too long. I don't even feel like that because my hair is 18.
Yeah, yeah,
So-
exactly. Exactly.
It just blended it. Look at me!
It's not even that.
I look like one of the IG models.
Like, yes, this is me.
Yes! Let's
So
go.
cute.
Yeah, my mom is gonna flip. She's yeah, she's gonna flip out.
She's gonna be like, why don't you wear your hair out?
She really is. She really is. And this is gonna trip her out because I'm gonna be like, here, this is my hair. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
I got some stuff in here, but it's long.
Oh my god.
Look how silky smooth it is.
You have
New
met.
clean, fresh skincare.
There is no way you got my 4C like this.
Long old 4C. She's ready for the streets now.
That is nuts.
And just imagine, your hair is only a little bit off.
Literally.
A little bit off.
That is insane.
Like, who is this?
You're a magician, though. There's no way you straighten my 4C. Nah, it is not falling like that.
She said it's not falling like that. It's falling like that.
No way it's giving what it's supposed to give.
Let's get a phone video.
That is insane.